Hi everyone, today we are planting, not making, gee my head's not in it today is it, parsnips, hollow crown parsnips and all season carrots. In here I already have some garlic coming up right around the edges, but I'm going to fill a line in and then some carrots. So yeah, let's see how we go. I've got to do this one-handed because I have the camera. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a parting all the way along. Oh, not quite into there. Just dig down slightly. They don't need much. Okay, here, oh geez, I should have opened these packets beforehand. Let's see what I can do. Here we go. Can you see me? Yep. Okay, so we're opening the carrots now. If I can. Here's the bottom. Okay. Grass there, jeez. Don't want you in my garden. Okay, so now I'm just gonna sprinkle a line right along. Okay, and then we're just going to cover that back up. Like so. And they will pop up in no time. Which is awesome. Alright, so now we're going to do another line of carrots. Along here. Dig him down a little bit. Like that. And then sprinkle them in. We'll thin them out later on. The seeds are too little to try and single them out, but yeah, it's just easier to pull some later on. If you want, you can have some baby carrots early and then have more grown ones later on as you thin out. It's always good. Okay, so that's all of our carrots done. So now we just have the parsnips to do. I'm hoping to use these vegetables in my slow cooker, because we're trying to save money so that we can buy a property, so I can grow on a much bigger scale than what I am. Now I'm just digging the line out for the parsnips, like that. Never grown parsnips before, so it'll be a new ordeal for all of us. I've grown carrots, so I know what I'm doing there, but we're just going to plant them all sort of the same. Awesome. Okay. Now we're just covering them with the dirt and then filling them back over with the mulch. Like that. Fantastic. So that's carrots and parsnips in. Now we just got to water them in. They will absolutely love it. I'll definitely post updates as it all grows. Just so everyone knows, the garlic I've got growing in here is just sprouted garlic from my cupboard. I had to find somewhere to put it, so in here it went. But yeah, just give it a really, really good, decent watering and get those seedlings going. I've grown corn in this. I've grown a succulent garden. I've grown heaps of different things in here. It keeps changing. I'm trying to downsize the amount of succulents I have because they grow like crazy. Alright, I think that's probably good enough because I'll probably give it another quick little water this afternoon after the day's sun's hit it. But that should definitely do for now. Okay, well, thank you very much. Glad to have you around. Like and subscribe, it does wonders for me. I might actually get big enough to be able to make money. But if not, it doesn't bother me. It kind of tags my life, and if I can help a few people, then it's all worth it. Okay, see you later. Bye.